Welcome back to the Southern Roots Kitchen. Today we are going to do something that's super easy. It's called a coconut blender pie. That's right, a blender pie. Everything goes in the blender. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of milk, half a cup of self-rising flour, or 3/4 cup of sugar, and let's see here, a stick of salted butter, and it does not have to be softened. Next, 3 eggs, and teaspoon of vanilla, a cup of coconut, and I'm just gonna eyeball. And that's probably more than a cup, but anyway, actually, I'm gonna add a little extra. It's only 7 ounces, so should be good. All right, I'm gonna get this lid on here. Turn on this thing and see if we can't fire it up. Just want it to mix just a little bit. And that's it. So now, let's get this lid off. And we're going to pour it in our already buttered pie pan. It's going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until it's done. So we'll be back then. Looky here, fresh out of the oven, blender coconut pie. Doesn't that look amazing? I can't wait till it cools and we can cut into it. We'll be back. Okay, so we have cut our first piece of the blender coconut pie. So there you go. Hope you try this recipe and stay tuned for more. See you next time.